Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're investigating a product that's been popping up a lot online, the Shoelada Foam Cleaner and Conditioner Kit. It claims to keep your kicks fresh and well maintained, but is it actually worth your money, or is it just another online scam? According to the Shoelada website, this kit is supposed to clean and condition your shoes effortlessly. Sounds amazing, right? The site talks about a convenient all-in-one solution for shoe care, and it's powered by Shopify, which usually adds some credibility. But let's pump the brakes. Just because something is sold online doesn't mean it's legit. So I did a little digging. And let me tell you, the reviews are not good. Don R on Trustpilot says he placed an order back in March and still hasn't received it weeks later. No customer service, no refund, no updates, nothing. He even calls it a huge fat zero. Then there's Vladimir Boskovic, who straight up calls it a scam. He says he's been waiting over 30 days for shipping, and the company hasn't replied. No phone number, no physical address, just an email that sends vague replies or ignores you completely. One reviewer even said the foam cleaner ruined their shoes and left stains. That's brutal. Here's what stands out to me. No phone number, no physical location, only email support. Their Facebook page has had comments deleted when people asked about issues. And that claims tab. Totally non-functional unless you paid for extra insurance. If that doesn't scream scam, I don't know what does. So is Shoelada legit? Based on all of this, save your cash. There are better, more reputable shoe cleaners out there with real reviews and real support. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it to save someone else from wasting their money. Have you had an experience with Shoelada? Drop it in the comments below, good or bad. Let's help each other out. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense product reviews and scams exposed. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay safe.